Day 523 of walking from the UK to Vietnam. We are back on the vlogs. We're with Vigo, Sophie, hello, in Turkey.
Look, we'll first start with the planning of the surgery, okay? And just like it was mentioned in the video, of course, the first thing I'm going to do, I will be evaluating a donor area. It's basically the backside of the head and around the ear areas, where we do the extraction, the harvesting of the grafts. Size of the donor area, its density, distribution of the grafts, because the density may be different at the back and around the ear areas, so you need to do the extraction evenly across them. Donor area, as a size, looks fine. You have a big head, okay? But an overall density, good at the back, slightly thinner around the ear areas, but still in a good condition, okay? I'll tell you, you have most probably a normal type 2 to normal type 3V of the hair loss. It's initial stage of the hair loss, okay? On average, these type of patients may require the number varying between 2,200 up to maybe 3,000 grafts, depending on the size of the open area, of course. The line may look really straight for you from here, okay? Like a very boxy bag. When you look down, you can see it's a curvy line coming to the side. So that's how it looks from the top, curvy line, okay? It may look straight from the front side. Why? Because we went with the remnants of your own hairline and anatomy of your own face. Then you can see we have this crown area, very tiny, just some densification, just to add up the small gaps between them, not very aggressive. And face proportions, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 should be more or less close to each other. So there should not be face disproportion as well. Okay? Good. Question number 1, is the hairline fine with you?
Yeah, I think so. I just wanted to cover these small bits on the
Which
side.
one? Yeah, these areas will be covered anyway.
Yeah, so that was my expectation, really.
Yeah, you don't have a very progressive or bad hair loss pattern now, but you may still lose your hair, so that's why medical treatment is a very strong advice for you. Okay. The best surgery is not having the surgery. If you can avoid it with the medical treatment, that should always be option number 1 in your case, okay? Okay, our surgery is almost finishing. We are going to do the final control of the at the end of the surgery. So the first thing we look for are the grafts placed correct and in specific angle and directions, precisely as we have made the incisions. Okay, we check if any grafts are outside, if there is any change in the color of the skin to avoid any ischemias. Okay, so the transplanted area looks fine. There are some ooze, small bleeding spots that are perfectly normal at the end of the surgery, but we'll clean it up with the wash at the end. So transplant area looks good. All the grafts are in their places. There is no popping out of the graft in the areas. The angle and direction is precise according to the incisions we have made before. We also checked the symmetry of the hairline. The hairline looks nice. We measured also the height between our landmark points. Transplanted area in the crown area also in a good condition. So far so good. Everything looks clean. They will do the final control, clean the patient up, and we'll be packing the donor area with the bandage. So far so good.